Hey everybody, it's Ashley. I'm making a card today using the Hello Bluebird Stamp set called Meadow Bunnies. I'm using the Fabriano extra white watercolor paper to stamp my image in VersaFine ink, which is waterproof. I'm using my Mission Gold Magella watercolor paints today, and I have swatches that kind of shows me where each color is located. I go in and start painting and watercoloring, and then every so often I would get it too dark, so I would take my paper towel and kind of blot the color off, and just like I did right then, and it would pick some of that color up and allow me to go in with lighter washes of color, which I liked a lot better. So I will play some music while I am watercoloring, and I hope you enjoy. Now I'm using my waffle flower dies to die cut my image out. And I love the little scallop edge, and you can put the bunny inside of the scallop piece and it just looks super cute. I love it. So here I am adding my grass and the sky and watercoloring it in. And then I decided that I wanted to go ahead and add some grass. So at first I started with dots, and then I decided that it really needed to look more like swatches of grass. So then you start to see me pull the paint upwards, and I start adding in new colors of greens to deepen the color just a little bit. And then I thought a couple little clouds would be really adorable, and then I just used my paper towel again to dab off the paint so that it just has a light wash of color. And here I have a background piece of watercolor paper, or paper, I think this is from Stampin' Up. I have tons of it that I keep all the time that I've just had for years and years. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of my watercolor piece and then add that to the front of the card. And then I have this adorable little stamp set that has little typed words. And I thought that the hello there would be really cute for this one. So I'm going to die cut it out and add it to the front of my card using some dimensionals and then some liquid adhesive is what I ended up deciding. I think I decided to do away with the extra dimension. Then I came in with some just simple see-through sequins that just add just a little bit of bling to it, and I love that. I hope that you have enjoyed this card, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.